Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G phone. We must first turn off the phone if it is on. If it were on, you would need to turn it off completely. Only then can you start cleaning. We never clean the phone while it is turned on because you could damage it. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft to medium hard, not hard, otherwise you will scratch the phone's frame. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates, leaving no trace behind. You can buy these things in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have the option to buy one, you can try using a regular toothbrush as long as the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. So with the phone turned off, just like mine, we can now sprinkle this toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. And we will be able to start cleaning. Also, just as useful for cleaning the port are these tips with a sharp end, so that if you happen to have dirt at the very end of the port, these little plastic tools with a sharp tip will allow you to simply clean the entire port, the very ends of the port, just without from every side. Just remember that it has to be plastic. We printed these ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can also buy them on Allegro. So we take the phone in our hand. Here we have the port, and we insert the brush into one side of the port as far as it will go and slide it to the other side. And we perform 10 to 15 such movements in one direction. Then we insert the brush into the other side of the port and perform exactly the same, well, not exactly the same, 10 to 15 movements in the other direction. It is highly recommended to repeat this specific cleaning operation in each direction at least 2 or 3 times. This is because doing so ensures that the area will be perfectly cleaned, whereas attempting it just the first time might not be entirely successful. So it is really good practice to just repeat this precise movement in both directions 2 or 3 times, which effectively means moving the brush back and forth about 20 or 30 times in total. This extra effort is just to make absolutely sure that this port is cleaned properly and thoroughly, leaving no debris behind. At the end, we take this little piece of plastic. We insert the little plastic piece into one side of the port and slide it all the way to the end. We try to pull it out. The same on the other side of the port. We slide it all the way to the end and try to pull it out so that something is at the end of the hook, and now we do the same thing on the other side in the opposite direction. Exactly at the very end of the port, you need to gently pull upwards and then go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side of the port to ensure it is secure. So that something catches and it comes out for us. After the whole operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.